Okay, can put color like this. Hi বন্ধুরা, তোমার সানডে আজকে ক্লাস চলছে বাচ্চাদের, এরপর থাকলে মিডিয়াম বাচ্চাদের লাগে শেষ হলে তারপরে আরও বড় ক্লাস। তো সারাদিন আমি ক্লাস চলে ক্লাস চলছে, ক্লাস করাচ্ছি অনলাইন। Okay. So first I'll bring this yellow ochre here, and inside the whatever lines I draw, I can erase it. Okay. So it's coming good because I already put the outline.
Sir, can I show you my thing?
Sorry, beta.
Can you see my drawing, sir?
Yes, I see your drawing. It's nice, beta. Anubhav.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Must you just make it color. First you do
Okay,
the
sir.
yeah. So first do this, and then we create the hair, brown color hair. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, can I go to washroom?
Go, beta, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So I make it this cap. Actually, the cap is red, so we are making the first yellow ochre, and then I make the reddish. Okay. The eyeball is a black color. I can put the black eyeball. This also should be brown, but I make it it's now it's different color. And the dress I using orange and red combination. So you can wearing the stripe color, the t-shirt, stripes t-shirts, red and orange. So let's look color fun. Okay, his chick is wearing the chick dresses, so it looks different, no? Understood, Yalini beta? Say yes, sir. Say yes, sir. Understand? You understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make it's a jeans pant. You wearing jeans? Hey, I love the jeans wearing jeans pant. Yes. They're wearing jeans like this. And I put it over here. What color you like to put over here? The brown. The brown. Okay, I put the color the brown. Fine. Yeah, you can. You can, beta. So this is doing something. You can make something shading. Okay, like this. Okay, we make some shadings with black. This mustache also. Okay.
How was it, sir?
So beta, this fun. Yeah, this is good. Good. I like it. I like it. I like it. Apple or banana. I like it. Apple or banana. Like it. Apple or banana.
Can you see my storybook?
Wow, very good storybook. What your name? Rajesh Bond. Okay.
Second one,
Yes.
I have more two books. Can I show?
Yes, beta.
Okay, sir. I'm getting it.
Ruskin Band. Wow. Okay, so I just make this next color. So I just want to make some here, some color like a green, yellow. Okay, so here's the simple colors I using for this scenery. I put some green color here and sap green and radiant green. Okay, this is green. So put the green. can use some sky color. Okay. And after that cobalt blue, first I make the sky color. I can make a sky color, okay, like this, everywhere, sky, but this is some boulder, okay, so this boulder I draw this color brown, standing on the one boulder, stone, like this, and beside the water. And that water I'm using the cobalt blue. Yeah, I use the cobalt blue. Like this. Banana. Okay. I'm using this here sky color. Very light. I have not put the dark color because sky is always very light. And the pine tree always dark green. So I can put the pine tree in dark green. Make some grasses here. Okay. See, I just make some dot lines. So it looks like a grass over here. I make the fish. I make the orange fish and brown. Okay. And this clouds color.